The first thing you should ever do with a categorical variable is build a frequency table. It answers what's actually in here, and it's the foundation for most of the first half of this course. Descriptives. And I'll bring in race. It has the 3 circles icon, so Jamovi is treating it as nominal. For categories, the default summary is useless. A mean of a category means nothing. What I want is counts, so I'll tick frequency tables near the bottom of the options panel. Let me read this out loud, because reading a table is a skill. Counts. 48,000 white respondents, 8,300 black, 3,000 in other. Percent of total, 80.9, 13.9, 5.1. Percentages are what you report. A count of 8,000 means nothing until I know the sample size. Third column, cumulative percent. And for this variable, it's garbage, because these categories have no order. There's no this category or below. Jamovi computes it anyway. Knowing when to ignore it is your job. Let's picture it. Plots, bar plot. 3 bars, and notice the gaps between them. That's not decoration gaps, means separate, unordered categories. 2 videos from now, our histogram bars will touch, because that variable is a continuum. Bars apart, categories. Bars touching, continuum. That shows up on exams. Now, a variable where order does matter. This one asks whether we're spending too little, about right, or too much on protecting the environment. And there's the problem. The order reads, about right, too little, too much, alphabetical. Jamovi read text from a CSV, so it had no idea these have a natural order, and alphabetical is the only sensible default. That makes the cumulative column meaningless again. Let's fix the variable. Data tab, double-click the column header. First, measure type, nominal to ordinal, because these are ordered least spending to most. Second, the levels box, and those little arrows move things. I want too little, about right, too much. Tedious, exactly once per variable. Then it's saved in your .omv forever. And now the cumulative column earns its keep. 60.8% say we spend too little. Run down 1 row and cumulative reads 91.1. About 91% of Americans say we spend too little or about the right amount on the environment. Only 9% say too much. That's a real reportable sentence, and I could not have said it from alphabetical order. That's what ordinal buys you. This category or lower becomes a meaningful idea. One more thing, the trap from video 1. Some variables arrive as bare numeric codes. Religious attendance comes in as nominal levels showing as 0 through 8, and Jamovi will still report a mean of 3.8 for it. Same fix, same panel, set it to ordinal, then type a label onto each level from the codebook. 0 is never, 8 is multiple times per week. Until then, a frequency table on it is just a list of digits. So, frequency table first on any categorical variable. Counts say how many percent of total is what you report. Cumulative percent only matters when the categories are ordered. If they come in wrong order, or bare codes, double-click the header and fix it once.